Hey JV affiliates, friends, come join me for a new release of Quiz Videos Mastery. I'm real excited and all the details are on the page here. This is the first public release I've done in about a year. I've been releasing privately, but I want to get all of my business partners in on this too because this is going to be a big seller. It's a niche that people know a little bit about and can really make good money with. Why? Because these are faceless channels, number one, so nobody has to be on camera. They're quizzes and they're easy to make in Canva. I'll talk more about that in a moment. And there's no barrier to entry. You just need a Gmail address and you are set. So I'm going to log into the product, show you around just a little bit, and then I will wrap this up so we can start selling this mother, okay? So on the main page here, I've got a bit of talk about how this all works, including some numbers showing some money that these other quiz channels are making, which is pretty good money. And over here in the menu, I've got more coverage, go into more details here. This is Social Blade, by the way. It's this great analytic tool, and I show people some numbers that are coming out of that. Then creating a YouTube channel. Well, I just don't say, hey, go create a YouTube channel. What I've done here over these videos is I've created a YouTube channel. I've created a brand new quiz channel for myself. It's called Quiz Engine, and I'm going to be building that one up. But I've recorded every step to create the channel. So your customers who know nothing about YouTube channels, never made a video, whatever, I got them all covered because they can just follow along step by step everything that I did. So that's the channel setup. And over here, I have the steps for creating a quiz video. So it's all in here as well. Canva. So I use the paid version of Canva because you can do some things quicker, but if people don't have the pro or paid version of Canva, they can do it with the free version as well, because even the free version can make videos. Boom, everybody's in. Still, no money if they don't want to spend anything past this product that you and I are splitting the money on, of course. All right, so I've got a few more things here to fill out over the next couple of days, but I just wanted to get you in here now to start seeing this. So check down, up, down the page here for the pricing. I have a funnel, I have a contest. It's all coming together really nice. January 14th, that's the release date. So I hope to see you in, getting some sales, and contact me for anything really, because I want this to fly for you and for me, of course, too. So thanks for watching. Review access below, all that stuff, and get in touch with me if you need to. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.